The snow will be around, probably the heaviest as we go through the evening, tapering off as we go past midnight, but still overnight and into tomorrow morning, chance for some flurries. 26 degrees at 7 o'clock, 23 at 9 o'clock, and down to 21 at 11 p.m., so those temperatures will come down quickly, even down to 12 degrees tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Still a slight chance of a flurry then, but most of the snow will be out of here. And then the clouds break. We even get back to mostly sunny skies by 5 o'clock, 17 degrees at noon, and looking for 22 degrees at 5 o'clock. We do have winter weather advisories in effect for Greene County and also for Warren County. Now, this is the way the counties shape up, but you know what? You got to kind of draw a line right through here. So at least the southern part of Montgomery County looking at a pretty good chance of snow totals up around a couple of inches, maybe 3 inches, and then winter storm warnings to the south of us into Warren and also Clinton counties where we could see the heavier snow falling. Speaking of the snow, time lapse on the ODOT camera. You can watch it come in from the west this evening. US 35 at Perry Street. Visibility is quickly coming down as the snow picks up. And live Doppler 2 HD tracking snow now over much of Montgomery County, especially the southern half. But we're looking at some decent snowfall into Butler, Warren County, over to also Clinton County, seeing the snow coming down. Rest of the Miami Valley, even up north, a little bit of light snow falling in our northern counties, but the heavier snow down towards the Cincinnati area in northern Kentucky. And this is where we will see the heaviest totals over the next 12 to 18 hours. Snow pretty much coming in from west to east, and you can see it extending well back to our west out towards St. Louis, but gradually this area will shift eastward, the back edge, so our snow totals will be cut down, but that will not be the case as you go down south of town. Here's our future track snowfall forecast amounts as we head through the overnight hours, and you can see by 10 o'clock there, a lot of areas picking up 1 to 2, even 2.5 inches at Wilmington, but this is going to be a very sharp contrast in the snowfall amounts. So this is probably a little bit underdone and probably a little overdone in the northern counties. But nonetheless, we'll give you at least my forecast, what we're expecting here as we go through the evening on those snowfall totals in a moment. Highs tomorrow, much colder. Looks like upper teens, low 20s across our area. 37 our high today, 33 our low this morning with 36/100ths of an inch of rain. And the snow's coming down and our temperature coming down. We're 33 now with a northwest wind, 15, wind chill 23, but already below freezing in Eaton, a 30-degree temperature there with a southwest wind at 5. Notice it's 29 at Greenville, so this is the cold air that will drop our temperatures down this evening, and even colder to the west of us over central Indiana where some low 20s are showing up already. Our future track forecast tonight will show the snow swinging through the area, especially early tonight, but then as we go past midnight, easing up a bit. And our snowfall forecast looks like the northern part of our region, especially north of I-70, inch or less accumulation, with the Dayton area over to Xenia about 1 to 3 inches. The heavier totals as you go down into the southern part of our viewing area. Periods of snow tonight, much colder, down to 12 degrees, and then that early morning flurry possible tomorrow. Otherwise partly sunny, high 22. And the hour-by-hour forecast, slow rise in temperatures tomorrow, certainly not feeling like March. And watch out for some icy conditions. And then check this out, flirting with record low temperatures come Friday morning, upper 20s on Friday, lots of sunshine, but finally it's starting to look a little bit like spring as we go into next week. At least temperatures getting back closer to seasonal norms.